Hello guys. So let us see the pointers in C language. So what is the pointer? We have seen normal variable like integer, float, double. We have created those variable. So what does the pointer variable means? Let us see what actually pointer variable stores. Pointer variable stores the address of another variable. Let me tell you again. Pointer variable stores address of another variable. If you have created an integer variable and then you want to create a pointer for that, it is quite easy to create a pointer. You will see the syntax of pointer variable afterwards. But suppose see what is the address. Let us see the address first. We are going to see the live demo of address. We are going to print the address. We are going to print the address of two variables, those we have already created. So let us see that first. It's loading and loading. Okay, we have created two variable, integer 1, another is var2, which is of type character, and we are printing the addresses of both. Let's execute it. Yes, these are the addresses DA722BC. Addresses are basically in hexadecimal format. Hexadecimal format, you people are aware about that. It's in digital electronics. I think you are dealing with it. You have seen hexadecimal number system. Basically, in computer science, in computer world, all variable you are going to see, or whether you are going to save image, whether you are going to save a text file, it will be stored in a memory, and all memory locations has its address. So these two variables will be stored in these two locations. Okay, that's all. Let's leave that. So here we are going to print. So what is the address? What is the we have seen the concept of address. Let us see the concept of pointers. So why pointer? So how you can declare a pointer variable? You need to type data type. You need to write data type of that variable. Then you need to give a space. Then you have to write a star, and then you need to write a variable name. This is the simple. You can create integer pointer. You can create double pointer. You can create a float pointer. You can create a char pointer also. Okay. Star is asterisk symbol. The name of the symbol star is asterisk. Okay. Now let us see how we can use a pointer. Here I have created a variable int var. I have initialized it with a 20. I have created an integer pointer IP. Then what I am doing and is the address operator, and is also used to get the address of any variable. So and going to provide you the address of var integer, and it going to be stored in IP, that is the integer pointer. So you can print the value inside integer pointer as well, and you can point the value inside your var variable. Let us see the live demo of it. Okay, so it's our time to deal with the pointer. Let's execute it first. You are going to see all those things. Address of variable, here we have printed address of stored in IP address. IP variable, that's value of IP address is 20, means 20 is stored in var, but you are printing 20 by using IP, which is the integer pointer. That's all about the concept of address or concept of pointer. So there is a concept of null pointer. If you are not willing to give any address to the pointer, you have to provide the value null. If you provide the null, the value of pointer will be nothing. Null is termed as a nothing. Okay. You can do pointer arithmetic as well. You can create array of pointer. You can create pointer to pointer, you can create pointer to function. Okay, this is in detail of pointer. We will see it in the next few lecture. At this point you have got the concept of pointer, that is more than enough. So I will explain in detail of pointer in next few lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.